Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Ebony from Essence of Ebony Hair, or Essence of Ebony, because I saw more than just hair. So yeah, so I just want to come to you guys to show you how I package my starter kits, and basically what comes in them. So yeah, so basically I just want to show you guys how it looks for a local delivery, as well as how it looks when I ship it out. I was shipping it out the same way, but for like, I'm in my first year of business, and as just in any bit, regardless how far you are in your business, you always want to save money if there's ways that you can. And shipping can be very costly. Shipping, how the way that I do my local orders, how I decide to do my local orders now. So let's just get started. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna start out with the local orders. So I've already got it inside the box already. So I use the cake boxes. You can grab these from Walmart. I'll go ahead and put like how it looks in the pack. And I use I want to say the 8 times 8 times 4, I think. I'll go ahead and put that in there so you guys can see that. And I get these from Walmart. I may buy them in bulk one of these days. Just, I haven't been doing that lately because, yeah, I just haven't done that. I just been stocking up, just getting them from Walmart. So basically what I do, I start out by putting the box and put some tissue paper, and I get all my tissue paper from the dollar store. Like, there's no sense. Plus, I don't know, I just get it from the dollar store. Sometimes I will, if I don't feel like going to the dollar store, or if I'm already at Walmart, I'll just grab it from Walmart. But for the most part, everything goes in this. So I'll put in 2 sheets, 1 purple, 1 white, or maybe 2 whites if I run out of purple. Let me go ahead and put my gloves on. Sorry. Okay, so my starter kits come in a 5.5 ounce bag of lip gloss base. Let me see if it can focus. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. Come on now. I don't know what's going on. Focus. What's 5 ounces of lip gloss base in here? And I put this inside of just like the little regular gift bags, like party bags, whatever. I put a little bit of grass. I don't know if you call it grass or not, but I put a little bit of purple grass in there, and I go ahead and zip tie it with some gold, some gold, what is this, ribbon? Yeah, I put a little gold ribbon on there, and then I stick my little logo sticker on here. Yeah, I go ahead and just put that on there, and that's basically it for that, because I make sure I put it inside of something. You don't have to, but to me, I feel like there's more security. I'd rather, if it does spill out, which I haven't gotten any complaints or anyone saying that it has, but just to be safe, and at least all the product will still be inside of here, and it's not spilling over to everything else. And it's a little bit more salvageable. You can be able to get it, get it back from this. Like, yeah, just make sure I keep it in there. Sorry, a little ramble. And then it also comes with 10 squeeze tubes. And what I do here, I just go ahead and take this one apart. So to make things easier, I put the 8 tubes of the 8 squeeze tubes in here. I do not know why my phone isn't focusing. I'm so sorry, you guys. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I put the 8 squeeze tubes in here, and then I bought these little pouches from Amazon, which I actually can link this below for you. And it comes in different sizes. This is like the medium size, and what I do is I go ahead and put the tops and then the little lip parts in there as well. So just to make things easier, I've ordered lip gloss tubes, and they just throw it all in there at once, and I don't know why that grinds my gears, because I gotta search for the top and then search for the bottom. I'd rather just make things easier. I'm like, just put it in a separate pouch. So I just went ahead and did that as well. And then it also comes with a 60 millimeter syringe. This one is from Care Touch. I got this from Amazon as well. What is going on? Oh my God. Do I need to hold it up close? Oh, there you go. So this is Care Touch. And this is just a traditional 60 millimeter syringe. And then this also comes with 3 pipettes. And then it comes with a random color. This kit looks like it's coming with the color mint. So let me actually try, see if I do it over here, if that helps. Oh, I guess a little bit. Okay, so, and then of course I put my thank you cards, and it has a coupon code on here. And that's just for, the coupon code is just for hair, not like my wholesale hair, but just like if you wanted a bob or something, like what I got in my hair right now, you take, it just give you like a little discount for that. And then of course my business cards, you know, I always got to have that up in there. So I'm just going to show you guys how I package it. Okay. So the first thing I do, I make sure this is like a little even. It doesn't have to be super even. And then, so I put my lip gloss base in first. I'll just do it this way because I couldn't get it at the right angle for it. Let me show you guys how that looks in there. I'll put it right there. Then the next thing I put in is my tubes. And I got these bags from Amazon as well. I'm not going to link that below because I don't want to run out of these bags because y'all didn't order them too much. And then I take this, which is a syringe, and I placed it in between the two. I'm going to show you that right now, how I did that. I just placed it underneath the two. Let's see. Oh, let's chill out. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see how I put that in here. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I could. So I put it in there like that. And of course, I'm going to do an overview. Get the camera down and do like a overview when I'm done so you guys can see this better. And then the pipettes, I just put them on the side of the syringe next to the lip gloss. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I throw in the coloring, which is in a random place. And then I also take my business card. I just slide them at the bottom. And then I also put my thank you card in. And then I put this down. Tissue. And I slap on my top. And on the top, I always make sure I put my little logo on there. So let's see. I put it just stacks in there like this. And of course, I'm gonna do an overview so you guys can see exactly how it looks. And this is just for, this is what I do for local orders because I was having so many issues trying to ship this and trying to figure out the weight, and it was driving me insane. So I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and not do it that way. So I decided to get these from Amazon. They're like the giant ones. Let me see, what size did I get? I want to say I got, I don't know what size these are, but I could definitely look these up for you as well. They come in a few different colors. So I can go ahead and place, show you guys where, I'll go ahead and place this in the link in the bio of where I got these bags from. And I think they come in different colors. So I'm gonna take all this out so I can show you guys how I package the local orders. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side. So the next thing is, so I take the bag, open it up, and I place this in here first, the lip gloss base. Okay. And then I place my lip gloss squeeze tubes and the tops right next to it. I take my syringe and put it in between. Actually, no, a little bit more behind, or between the two. Kind of like the same way I do my other ones. And I take the syringe, the the pipettes, put them on the side, over here actually. And then I'll take the color, and I set that at the bottom of the bag. Right here. It's a little crooked. Let's get that straightened up. And that's that right there. Well, let me see. Maybe I'll put it over here. Like that. Squeeze this down. Then I throw my thank you card in. I put this in the back. Just because for some reason, I don't like how it looks in the front. I thought it would look a little better. And then I put my business cards on the side. I don't know how much I like that right there, though. I might put these in the back as well. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put the business cards in the back. I don't like how that looks up front. And then just take it and you got your starter kit. Let me see. If you focus, there we go. That's crooked again. Sorry, the what you call it got crooked again. Is it still crooked? I guess it's just how I'm holding it. I don't know. But yeah, so this is how I store it because I feel like it's a little cheaper and I could put this in a flat rate, one of the basic flat rates, and send this off, or I can put in a smaller, like a regular just bubble mailer, and it'd be okay. But sorry, this hair is like it's sticking to my lip gloss right now. And yeah, so I could just go ahead and do that because I was having a lot of issues with trying to ship these off because I couldn't find a bubble. I don't feel comfortable putting it in the poly mailer. I've seen people do that, and I've worked at UPS, I've worked at Amazon, and I've seen how packages get handled sometimes. No shade to them, but people, you know, sometimes people don't care, and I don't like that. So I have to put I also bubble wrap this, and same thing with if I want to, once I ship those, I bubble wrap this as well, and I still put it inside of a bubble mailer. I don't like poly mailers and stuff like that because I don't know, like I feel like, I mean, I don't know. There are people I think that probably do care about your packages in the post office, but no, I don't want anybody to have any issues or complaints. So I always try to make sure I always be extra careful. So yeah, that's that for that. And I have a little bit of promo, so I just want to let you guys know that I do have a raffle coming up. Sanitize my hand really fast. I'm not putting those gloves back on because I want to show you guys, I want to show you guys what I have for raffle right now. So if you guys are looking to get all of my lip glosses, each shade that I've made so far, and minus the clear squeeze tube, so I will be raffling not this pretty little case, because this is mine for like pictures and stuff. I will be raffling off all of this, which is my squeeze tube collection, which is these three, which is Honeydew Melon, Tropical Punch, and Golden Hibiscus. And then I have these four, which is Baja Blast, Gold Frost, Rose Gold, and Tsunami. And I have these ones as well, which is again like the same ones, Honeydew Melon, Tropical Punch, and Crystal Clear. And all 5 of the lash styles that I have. And so all of this you can get in my raffle for $2. So the raffle is $2. You could buy as many or as little as tickets as you want. There's no limit. You could buy as many or as little as you want, as I said. And yeah, just go ahead and get your tickets. I will be announcing the winner on Sunday. And if I don't get a minimum of at least 30 tickets bought, I will not be raffling this stuff off, okay? So, and the people will be refunded. So I want at least 30 tickets. I don't have to have 30 people, but 30 tickets, at least 30 tickets have to be sold, or I will be refunding. It is what it is. Anyway, so yeah, so make sure you guys go ahead and get your tickets so you can go ahead and get all of these lip glosses. You ain't gotta buy lip glosses for a minute. And all of my all 5 of my lash styles. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I package my orders, as well as how I, you know, package my orders, and then let you guys know about this raffle that I got going on. Yeah, so go ahead and make sure you guys get your tickets, and let me know if you want to see a video of me packaging orders to show you like exactly why I'm switching over to that, or if you want me to go more into depth about like actually see me fully pack when I pack the lip gloss base and all that type of stuff. Let me know. I'll be more than happy to make a video like that. Also, make sure y'all check out my bobs, because you know it's nothing better than being bobfidence, you know. So go ahead and let me know if y'all need my help. Everything will be in the description box. And please, anytime you watch my videos, go ahead and make sure you look at the description box. I always do that, because you never know what insight that you possibly could be missing out on. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope to see you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.